Okay, today we're going to be prepping the Elegoo to print again. I'll walk through kind of what this takes. A lot of people pour their resin out after use. It's not really necessary. The resin can stay in the bin, but you will need to kind of agitate it. Also look for any solid parts that are on the bottom. This is actually close to as much as I need. You just want to mix it a little to get the pigment reset. Notice I'm wearing gloves. That's on purpose. The resin is not dangerous, but you do not want to get it on your skin. If you get it on your skin, you have to immediately kind of start washing it off with water. So I bought, this is Elegoo's ABS like 3.0. I like the ABS resin because it's a little bit more resilient during build. You got to shake it up. We're just going to pour it in until we're a little over the min line because it is at an angle. It's good enough for now. The printer has tech to check to see if it is close to out of resin or out of resin to prevent damage to the screen. So now we'll go ahead and close this. Printer's already on. We are ready to send a slice to it. Okay, so I just sent the slice over to print. So we're going to close this up just because, you know, fumes for this thing are not friendly. Right now what's happening is the bed's warming to about 30 degrees Celsius so that it can start printing. And I'm going to open a window over here. I'm not going to move the camera so you can see it, but I actually have an exhaust vent for this cavity. It goes into a window here. And then we turn on the fan in that cavity on here. It's about halfway. That keeps the fumes from this thing vented completely outside. Out that window over there. And that keeps it relatively safe to breathe in here